Universal, powered by McCulloch, provides garden power accessories to maintain and enhance your equipment, helping you tackle virtually any outdoor job, from mowing to sawing to brush cutting and beyond. A sharp chain makes your work easier and safer. Our chain file kits contain everything you need: files, handle and guides. Ensure that your saw is fixed in a safe position and that the chain brake is disengaged. The arrows on the template should point in the same direction as the bar. Mount this on one of the chain cutting edges. Mark the chain where you started from so that you will know when you've sharpened all the chain cutters. Always start with the worst cutting edge. It's important that you keep the file positioned vertically above the template to achieve the correct sharpening angle. Always use the file by pushing it forwards and rotating it. Count the number of times you've sharpened each cutting edge before you're satisfied with the result. Then use the same number of sharpening movements on each cutting link. Continue sharpening the chain, skipping every other cutting edge. Then turn the saw over and sharpen the remaining cutting edges. You must also remember to sharpen the depth gauges. Replace the file in the handle with a flat file. Then position the template like this. Apply an even filing movement. When the cutting edges have become worn and are less than 4 mm, the chain should be replaced. Be aware, be safe, and enjoy using this simple and very effective garden machine.